In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a security seal on your Wix product page. A security seal is a fantastic tool to enhance your site's credibility and show your customers that your site is absolutely secure to use. Now, let's get started and follow the process meticulously to achieve a fantastic result. First and foremost, you need to open your Wix editor. This is the platform where all the magic happens, and you can transform your site into something truly remarkable. Seek for the icon on the left that depicts 3 connected squares. This is the Add Apps icon, and clicking on it is our initial step. It's an absolute treasure trove of applications which you can utilize to enhance your site's functionality. Step 2 is to identify the right app. There is a search bar at the top of the App Market interface. Use this search bar to identify the application you need. In this case, you are looking for trust badges or security seals. These keywords will yield numerous results, and you need to choose the one that best suits your needs. Type in trust badges or security seal, and let the search engine introduce you to a world of app options. You might see a host of applications when the search results come up. For instance, Sales Dish Trust Badges or Trust Badges and Payment Icons might pop up on your screen. But you may wonder, among all these apps, which one should I choose? Here's a pro tip. Always opt for an app that has a plethora of positive reviews. User reviews can tell you a lot about an app's functionality and reliability. After you've made your selection, move towards adding the selected app to your site. To do this, click on your chosen app and then look for the Add to Site button. Once you click it, the magic will take place. The app will automatically integrate trust badges or security seals on your site's product pages. Finally, all you need to do is save and publish your site. This proverbial cherry on top ensures that all your hard work is saved and your site is updated with the new changes. Your security seal is now live, adding a layer of trustworthiness to your product pages. By following these unpretentious steps, you can easily create a security seal on your Wix product page. This simple addition can play a significant role in enhancing your site's credibility and making your customers feel secure while they navigate through your wonderful product offerings. Remember, these steps are not merely instructions, but the doorway to enhanced site credibility and user trust.